A program designed to help people in a mental health crisis is also uncovering the issues people in Rockford are facing. 13 News reporter Lauren Baker is digging deeper into the data and its impact on the city.
It's no secret that anyone in our community can suffer from mental health issues, no matter their background or what they look like.
Every single religion, political point of view, race, sexual orientation, it does not discriminate.
And because it doesn't discriminate, local leaders created the Crisis Co-Response Team, which includes police and mental health professionals who follow up with people who call 911 with a mental health crisis. And after just 2 months, the team got some major insight into the mental health crisis.
Is this a citywide problem?
319 people have used the service since it started. The majority of those people live in one of 4 zip codes: 61101, 61103, 61108, and 61109. Zip codes that are spread across the city of Rockford, showing mental health issues have no boundaries.
I'm not surprised, especially now because of the pandemic, because of unemployment. So many factors there.
A majority of the crisis team responded to 184 cases where people struggling with suicidal thoughts.
While I think the numbers are staggering, I'm not surprised because of the pandemic that we're in. I think it has really accelerated some of those feelings of isolation and hopelessness.
It surely makes me feel bad when I realize that any one of our citizens, anyone, anywhere, that would come to the place where they say it's not worth living anymore. When you think about life as a precious gift.
And after seeing the breakdown of these numbers, health leaders say they now can pinpoint where there are a lack of mental health services for people and create a plan to help them get what they need when they need it the most. For your 13 Weather Authority, Lauren Baker, 13 News.
If you or someone you know is struggling with suicide, call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. The number is at the bottom of your screen, 800-273-8255.